Easy and effective garden decoration ideas for every space. Welcome to our channel. Today we are sharing simple yet impactful garden decoration ideas to elevate your outdoor space, whether you have a sprawling backyard or cozy balcony. These tips will help you create a beautiful garden retreat that you should love spending time in. So first of all, like the video and click the subscribe and press bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Transform any outdoor area into a lush showcase by crafting potted plants. Choose a variety of plants, size, shapes, colors, to add visual interest and texture to your space. Arrange the pot strategically around your garden, patio or balcony to create harmonious, inviting atmosphere. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden ideas. Inject personality into your garden with a garden art project. Get creative with materials like reclaimed wood, old tires, or even household items to craft unique sculptures, stepping stones, or decoration features. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or novice dyer, there are endless possibilities to express your style and enhance your outdoor environment. Add pops of colors to your garden with a vibrant accessories and decor piece, craft colorful cushions to pavilions and outdoor works to brighten and seating areas and create cozy atmosphere. Hang colorful wind chimes and string lights and areas. Add playful touch and create magical ambience during evening spent outdoors. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the like icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.